Liza A. Makatangay, and today we're going to talk about attractions. Traveling is more than just going from one place to another. It's about discovering the world through its wonders. Today, let's explore the different types of attractions. This can be natural, man-made, cultural, or centered around events and festivals. Each one offers a different way to experience a place. First one is natural attractions. These are places shaped by nature itself. These include majestic mountains, serene beaches, vast deserts, lush greeneries, and spectacular waterfalls. Cultural attractions offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of a community. It is a place with historical, artistic, or social significance that reveals the traditions, heritage, and identity of the community or the nation. Man-made attraction, on the other hand, by the word itself, are structures or sites created by us people, often becoming symbols of a country or region. Lastly, events and festivals. It brings people together at a particular time and place, often attracting large crowds. This include concerts, sport matches, expos, parades, and festivals.
Good morning everyone and mabuhay. I'm Almea Kacha and today we're going to be discussing about the tourist attractions and its significance in our industry. First, tourist attractions are vital to the tourism industry, serving as the primary draw for visitors and significantly impacting local economies, cultures, and also community. Tourist attractions often play a crucial role in preserving and protecting cultural and natural heritage sites. Revenue generated from tourism can be reinvested into conservation efforts, ensuring these valuable assets are maintained for future generations. In summary, tourist attractions are vital to the tourism industry, serving as economic engines, cultural ambassadors, and educational platforms. They stimulate local economies by generating revenue, creating jobs, while also fostering cultural exchange and preserving heritage. Moreover, they promote environmental conservation and offer personal enrichment. However, it's crucial to manage tourism sustainably to prevent issues like overcrowding and environmental degradation. By balancing development with preservation, tourist attractions can continue to benefit both visitors and host communities. Thank you.